So we have a retard on the porch. He's trying to get in. Maybe he sees his reflection in the window, but I'm sitting over there in the living room and I kept hearing this banging, tapping kind of thing. This guy, like, what is that? What is he doing? Oh, and she's just silently watching. What? He's trying to get in my house. Like, do birds go retarded? Dude, go dig up some worms or something. She's like, come in, my pretty. I don't know where the big white one is. Maybe the bird's here to fight her. What the hell is this guy doing? Are you trying to get to the back and go over? Here he goes. Dude, it's never going to work. You're like at a lot. You're not going to get in. What? I kind of feel sorry for the guy. What is this about? Listen. Can I help you? I think the bird is fucking with my cat. And he's done. Wow. Okay, so that's never happened ever. Is he gone? Yeah, he's gone. Okay. What'd you do, Lily? Did you piss him off? He was ready to kick your ass. I'm gonna tell you right now, don't go starting fights that you need me to finish. That was a big bird. I think he could take you. He's gone now. Yeah. Oh. He's not gone. He's sitting up in that tree. There he is. Look at, there he is. I see you, little asshole. What are you doing? Why are you fucking with my cat? Oh,